Hello, Namaste everyone. It's me Purna Subedi and teaching in Angel Heart High School as a secondary SPE teacher. Today in this video I am going to clarify or describe the cycle of communicable disease. Communicable disease means those diseases which are transmitted from one person to another through different medium. They may be COVID-19, HIV/AIDS, hepatitis B, diarrhea, dysentery, roundworm, common cold, tuberculosis, chickenpox, smallpox, and so on. There are various types of communicable disease. And to understand the communicable disease, we must develop clear-cut concept on agent, host, and environment. First of all, I want to clarify to all what is agent. Agent means disease infected person, victims, or reservoir of disease. Different communicable disease has different agent. Like all the peoples who are suffering from COVID-19 are the agent of COVID-19. HIV/AIDS patient are the agent of HIV/AIDS. Likewise, cholera patient are the agent of cholera. Common cold patient, tuberculosis patient, hepatitis B patient, hepatitis C patient. These are the agent of disease. Infected person. These are also called infected person, victims, or reservoir. Clearly understand, agent means infected person of different disease. And let me talk about susceptible host. It is also called host. Host means disease targeted person. They are called host because at any time disease pathogenic agent, virus, bacteria, or any pathogenic agent may enter from agent to host at any time. That's why they are called susceptible host. Different disease has different susceptible host. Like, I want to clarify the susceptible host of COVID-19 who are working in frontline peoples migrating from highly infectious place and country, those peoples who are not maintaining physical and social distancing, likewise not wearing of masks while moving, not sanitizing of instrument and goods, doctor, nurses, police personnel, social worker, etc. are the susceptible host of COVID-19. Likewise, commercial sex worker, intravenous drug user, those people who are making multisexual partner are the susceptible host of HIV/AIDS and other sexual transmitted disease. Similarly, common cold host means people who are sitting nearby the infected person, using of others' instrument, goods, utensil, clothes, handkerchief, sleeping in same bed, sitting in same room, and so on, are the susceptible host of common cold. It means susceptible host of different communicable disease are different peoples. And let me talk on environmental media. To transform disease from agent to host, environmental medium play critical role, greater role, major roles. Without environmental medium or media, communicable disease does not transmitted from agent to host. Environmental medium may be physical component, biological aspect, or socio-economic aspect. In physical aspect, all the non-living things like air, water, soil, climate, dust and dust particles, etc. are come under the physical aspect. Similarly, all the living beings, animals, plants, birds, bacteria, virus, fungus, protozoa, etc. are come under the biological agent, and socio-economic condition, economic status, social status of peoples, etc. are come under the socio-economic aspect of environmental medium. If environmental medium is favorable, suitable to transform disease, then disease may transform fastly from agent to host. But if environmental component, if environmental medium are not favorable, are not suitable to transform disease, if all the peoples are maintaining environmental sanitation, if the condition of air, water, soil is good, similarly, if peoples are not coming in the contact of pathogenic agent, disease causing agent like bacteria, virus, fungus, protozoa and so on, then disease it does not transmit from agent to host. That's why we must improve, we must give more priority to improve the environmental situation, environmental medium. We must disconnect, break down the relationship among agent, host and environment to minimize, to reduce the infectious rate of communicable disease. So, here I want to clarify through one examples. First of all, COVID-19 was seen in China, in Wuhan Pranta, in single person, and till date, the COVID-19 patients are becoming more than 2 crore. In this way, hosts are converting into new agent. When the pathogenic agent enter in the host, then host convert into new agent. That's why this cycle run continuously. So it is called the cycle of communicable disease. Thank you all of you for watching my video, and I always welcome your constructive suggestion. Thank you.